Hey, this is a special episode on Barry the Python. There he is. He's our favourite python. He's our only python. Unfortunately, as these stormy clouds will show you, we've had a power cut for 7 days in this horrible weather. So I'll shut up and let me do the rest of the explaining. Thank you.
We've had no power for a week and a day, and our ball python, somehow he's survived. So today's video is about Barry the python being amazing. We're going to turn his Viv from acceptable to amazing. We're going to make him a jungle paradise, and it's going to be great. See you soon. Now for the boring bit. This is cocoa fibre, which you need to soak in about 3-4 litres of water. So that's going to be the base of our substrate. I'll show you the rest of it. It's special snake substrate that we got from Pets at Home, which probably means it isn't special snake substrate, but hopefully it is. And what we're going to do is mix that one. Ooh, it's gone out of focus because of the steam. But what we're going to do is mix all this together in about half an hour. I'll make a really good substrate, and then we can start just getting his home really nice, because at the moment he's back in his tub because we put him in his tub for survival. And yeah, we'll get it all going, and it's going to look amazing. I can't wait to show you a lot. It's going to be so good. So this is Barry's current setup with everything cleared out due to there being no power. It's got that doesn't work. If anyone knows how to unscrew it so I can take it out, that would be amazing. I still haven't figured out how. That is a tortoise light, not a basking light. That's the next thing we're going to do, and we're going to screw it in up here. Don't mind my roach farm up there. So underneath the slate, that's where his heat mat and the thermometer are. But as you know, that's not ideal for a python. They like to bask, get some heat that way, and then disappear underground. Now, currently, because like I said, we had no power, he's getting desperate. He's been moved into his little transportation hub there, but we're going to turn this with our brewing mess there into something for him to be proud of. It's going to be amazing. We can't wait, can we? Yeah. Can you wait? You can wait?
Yes.
Oh, he can wait. Barry can't though. Right, see you guys soon. So this soup is going to go in here. Doesn't matter that it's soupish, because it's going to hold all the moisture, raise the humidity. We just need to keep it away from his heat pad over there. We're going to look at getting rid of, with a view to replace, the UVB lamp. We'll get started and we'll come back to you halfway through. Now mix the aspen bedding. If anyone asks, it's this stuff from Pets at Home. As you can see, it's got a picture of a snake on it, so it must be for snakes. And it's got all this area with cocoa powder, cocoa fibre, and that aspen bedding, which is really good at holding the humidity which they need, and it'll give them some enrichment, somewhere to look at, somewhere to dig, somewhere to see when he comes out. So that's going to be really good. Now we're going to go make his new pond, because we've got a pond for him, and new hide, because we've got a new hide for him. And I'll show you a little step-by-stepy thing. Right, bye. So we are upgrading Barry's enclosure. This is going to be his new hide. I'm just using my Dremel here to, Dremel multi-tool, to make him a new hide out of a cat litter box. This is from a certain shop that sells most things at £1. This included, yeah. So not only is this going to be his new hide, it also doubles up as a nice big swamp. We're going to fill this up with water, warm water may I add, because that is the perfect size for a ball python to wobble himself around in some water, get that humidity up too, and it'll be great for when it's shedding time, because he can fit his whole self in there, roll about in the water, shed no bother, and it'll give him a bit of enrichment. I'll also get back to you once I've finished doing this and we're installing it in his Viv, because like I said, that's a nice easy made hide. Right, so like you can see, I've made a little hole. We've got rid of any sharp burrs on there. That's nice and smooth for him to slide in, slide out, hide in. That's going to be his warm hide. He's still going to have his plastic sweetie tin hide for his cold hide. We're just cleaning up Barry's swimming pool. We're going to get the label off here with a bit of soap and water, which will hopefully get rid of the mank in it too, because it was a bit dusty, wasn't it? I've got a little bit of help there. Yug, yug, yug. Did you get yourself covered in yug? No. Right, this isn't the most interesting part. So again, we'll pause and I'll show you when we're done. So in the cold end now, he's going to have that as a swimming pool. He's got all that nice substrate there. Going all the way across here. Sorry for the light. I mean, it's my room, so don't really have spotlights and stuff set up. That's now his new hide. He's got substrate all around. He's got his rock garden in the middle to help again with shedding. Excuse me twice there. Again, don't worry about that basking light. That was for hardening tortoise shells. What we're going to do is take that out by light. Not yet though, because he likes climbing that. So once I've got a basking light, what's going to happen is where the cold end is here, I took out the UVB thing because he does not need that at the minute. Because when I explain what we're going to do, it's going to be great. Where that tarantula is, we're going to drill some holes in the top there, create a space out, grate over the top, basking light over that grate with a thermostat on it, like I have there, and we're going to have a nice infrared heat just coming down with UV. I think you can get infrared UVB light, so that way he gets both and he gets a soak, so I'll get some enrichment, some basking, might even put a rock in there for him. Feel free to tell me if you think he needs a rock in there. I don't think he does, because I mean he can pretty much stand a metre off the ground when he's hunting, so that's great. And he's gone from a nice barren wasteland now. So, I mean, look at that. He deserves it, though. So, the next shot you're going to have is of my big one. We're going to put him in. And I'll get a few shots of him exploring. Although, knowing a ball python, he'll go straight in there, go up in a ball. Oh, I'll not see him for a while. So, right. See you soon. Unfortunately, there was an audio desync here
Basically, the big one, he gets Barry, picks him up, we all check him, and he goes into his Viv. I put some nice music over it, because we're all really happy that he's alive. I just go on to say here that he's a pied ball python. We've got to have it, genes in him. As you can see, he's a gorgeous chap. Thank you for watching. I hope you're as happy as we are that he's alive and happy. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.